Yesterday we have done 1 to 7 problems. Today I am going to teach you 8th problem. Yesterday they told to find remainder, but I told you remainder theorem as well as factor theorem, both simultaneously. Today now I am going to do 8th problem. On dividing ax cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10 by x plus 3, we get 5 as remainder. They only give remainder in this problem. Yesterday we found remainder, but today in this problem they give remainder and they are asking to find the value of a. Here a is there, the unknown value. For this variable we have to find the value of a. So solution given f of x is equal to ax cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10 divided by x plus 3 gives 5 as remainder. So now we are going to equating x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. You have to be careful while substituting minus 3. F of minus 3, a into minus 3 whole cube. This cube is for minus and this cube is for 3. So minus 3 whole cube plus 9 into minus 3 whole square plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. From where we got this 5? It is given in the problem. Implies, again no need, is equal to, because already we got here is equal to, we have to keep implies. Now you are going to multiply. When the power is odd number, we will get minus. When the power is even number, we will get plus. So here minus 3 cube. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27a. Coming to the second term, minus into minus plus, and 3 square means 9, plus 9 into 9. Here you have to be careful. Minus 9 will not come. Minus into minus plus, and 3 3 is 9. Here you are doing wrong. Some got yesterday doubt. Sir, we are not getting answers. So please see that sign. Plus, here in the place of x we have to write minus 3. Minus 3. So plus into minus, minus 4 3s 12. Minus 10 is equal to 5. Now implies minus 27a plus 81 minus 22 is equal to 5. Don't forget to write this 5. Now you are going to simplify. Implies minus 27a, 81 minus 22. Here 7, borrow, here 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 minus 2 is 5. And the biggest number is plus, so plus 59. Plus 59 is equal to 5. Implies minus 27a is equal to 5 minus 59. When plus 59 goes from left side to right side, the sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus become plus. So implies minus 27a is equal to minus 54. Minus minus get cancelled. A is equal to 54 by 27. Multiplication 27a means 27 into a. Multiplication goes from left to right, becomes division. So 27 goes 2 times. Therefore, a is equal to 2. They told to find the value of a. So here we got the value of a as 2. This is the working of this problem. 9th problem homework same as 8th problem. Now 10th problem. If the polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a leave the same remainder, underline that word, same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find the value of a. Also find the remainder in each case. Here we are having two polynomials. One we are thinking as f of x, another one we are thinking of g of x. If one more is there, h of x, like that. G of x, f of x, h of x, I of x, like that. Here we are having two polynomials. Equating x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 goes that side, plus 2. So in the place of x, we are substituting 2. 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. 2 into 8. First term. A into 4. Second term. 3 into 2. Third term minus 5. 2 8s are 16. A into 4 plus 4a plus into plus plus 2 3s are 6 minus 5. 16 plus 6 is 22 minus 5 plus 4a. After simplification, we got remainder as 17 plus 4a for the first polynomial. For the second polynomial, we are the same, we are substituting. In the place of x, we are going to substitute 2. 2 cube plus 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus a. 2 cube means 8 plus 2 square means 4. Minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4 plus a. Plus 4 minus 4 cancels. 8 plus a. This is the remainder for the second polynomial. Both polynomials having same remainder. This is given in the problem. Equating both the reminders of f of x and g of x. 17 plus 4a is equal to 8 plus a. Variables one side, numerical values another side. 4a minus a is 3a. 8 minus 17 is minus 9. A is equal to minus 9 by 3. 3 goes in 9 3 times. Therefore, the value of a is equal to minus 3. Now we are going to substitute in first polynomial and second polynomial. This is the remainder of f of x. 17 plus 4 into minus 3. 17 minus 12. Here we got 5. Whereas in the second case, we are taking g of x. 8 plus a. 8 plus minus 3 plus into minus minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So, same remainder came for the both polynomials. If 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 when divided by 2x minus 3 and x plus 3 leaves remainder 7 and minus 20 respectively. The word respectively means for the first, when you are substituting, when you are dividing with 2x minus 3, this polynomial, 7 is the remainder. When you are dividing by x plus 3, this polynomial, minus 20. For the first one, first remainder. For the second one, second remainder. That is the meaning of respectively, accordingly. Find the values of a and b. In this problem, we are having two unknown variables. So, f of x is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 when divided by 2x minus 3 leaves remainder 7. Here we are equating to 0 and we got the value x as 3 by 2. So, f of 3 by 2 in the place of x, we are going to write 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube plus a into 2 by 3 whole square plus b into 3 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 7, leaves remainder 7. Now implies, because already we got here is equal to, no need to put here is equal to again, already is equal to coming here. So implies 2 into cube means 27 by 8 plus a into squaring, so 9 by 4, b plus b into 3 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 7, implies 27 by 4. Here a common table is there, 2 goes 1 time, 2 goes 4 times, so 27 by 4. Here a into 9 is 9a by 4 plus b into 3 is 3b by 2. This minus 2 I have taken that side, left from right. 7 plus 2, 9. Here taking 4 as LCM, 27 plus 9a plus 6b is by 4 is equal to 9. Do cross multiplication. 9a plus 6b plus 27 is equal to 9 into 4. Division goes that side, from left to right. Division changes into multiplication. 9a plus 6b is equal to 9 4s are 36 and plus 27 goes that side, minus 27. 9a plus 6b is equal to 9. Here there is a common table, 3 table is there in common to cancel throughout the equation. 3 goes 3 times, 3 goes 2 times, again 3 goes here. So here we got 3a plus 2b is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. For the same polynomial, now we are dividing by x plus 3. Leaves remainder minus 20. So equating for 0, plus 3 goes to the side, minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 whole square, whole cube. Here we have to be careful. This cube is for minus and also for 3. That's why we read as minus 3 whole cube plus a into minus 3 whole square plus b into minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 20, leaves remainder minus 20. So here implies comes 2 into minus 27 plus a into 9 minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9. Here minus we are multiplying 3 times, odd, so minus comes. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus. So b into minus 3 plus 2 goes that side, minus 2 went that side, plus 2 implies minus 54 plus 9a minus 3b is equal to minus 18. 9a plus 3b is equal to minus 54 goes that side, plus 54. 9a plus 3b is equal to 36. Again 3 table is common, so we cancel 3 table. 3 goes 3 times, 3 goes 1 time, 3 goes 12 times. This is equation number 2. Now we got two simultaneous equations. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. 3a plus 2b is equal to 3. 3a minus b is equal to 12. When we are subtracting, the second expression sign changes. Here plus is there, became minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, quite opposite. Now plus a minus a get cancelled. 2b plus b, 3b, and 3 minus 12 is minus 9. B is equal to minus 9 by 3. 3 goes 3 times out. Therefore, B is equal to minus 3. Substituting B is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Or if you want, you can 2 also. Your will and wish. Now I have substituted in equation 1. 3a plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 3. 3a minus 6 is equal to 3. Minus 6 goes that side as plus 6. 3a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 by 3. And the value of A is 3. Therefore, the values of A and B are 3 and minus 3 respectively. Indicates the value of A is 3 and the value of B is minus 3. First value for first one, second value for the second one. 14th problem. Using the remainder theorem, find the remainders obtained when x cube plus kx plus 8 of x, brackets are there, we read as of x, plus k is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2. Hence find k. You have to find the value of k if the sum of the two remainders is minus 1. F of x is equal to x cube plus kx plus 8 of x plus k is divided by x plus 1. Equating, plus 1 goes outside, minus 1. Now we are substituting in the place of x minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube plus k into 1 plus 8 of again 1 in the place of x plus k. Here odd power, so minus 1 comes, and here k1 is k plus 8. 1 if we multiply again k plus 1, k plus 8 will get. 1 into k plus 8 is k plus 8 plus k. K plus k 2k. 8 minus 1 is plus 7. So here we got remainder as 2k plus 7 in the first case. In the second one, f of x, x cube plus kx plus 8 of x plus k divided by x minus 2, equating to 0. X minus 2 goes that side, plus 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus k into 2 plus 8 of 2 plus k. 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 2 into k, 2k plus 8. Again into 2 is there here. Here 1 is there. If you multiply again the same comes. So here no problem. But here other than 1, any other number is there, we have to be careful. We have to multiply, not yet completed. We have to multiply one more time. So 2 is there plus k. 8 plus, now we are multiplying. 2 2s are 4, 4k. Plus into plus again plus. 8 2s are 16 plus k. Now 5k plus k, 4k plus k is 5k. 8 plus 16, 24. So here the remainder in the second case we got as 5k plus 24. So we got two reminders. If the sum of the reminders is 1, they have given, if means condition, they have given a condition that sum means addition. If we add those two reminders is equal to 1. So adding both the reminders, 5k, 2k minus 9 plus 5k plus 24 is equal to 1. 2k plus 5k is 7k. 24 minus 9 is 15. Plus 15 goes that side, minus 15. 7k is equal to minus 14. k is equal to minus 14 by 7. 7 goes 2 times. Therefore, the value of k is equal to minus 2.